মিছিল রয়েছে এবং আগামীকালকে থেকে অসহযোগ আন্দোলন ডাক দিয়েছে, এই বিষয়টাকে আপনি কিভাবে দেখছেন শিক্ষার্থী হিসেবে?
So as a student, we were protesting peacefully, and then the police, the armies, and mainly the government started shooting us in our heads, in our chest, and obviously, like, they shooted us for us to die, not to stop us from the protest or something. They shooted us for killing. Okay, and then we had 9 demands. We had 9 demands which the government accepted after a lot of people died, after a lot of people were martyred, and that time the government accepted our demands. But now that lots of my brothers, lots of my sisters' blood was shed, we don't want those 9 demands anymore. We only want one thing, which is we want our government, our Sheikh Hasina, to leave her position as a prime minister and make another very capable person who has humanity in them to be our prime minister, to be a leader of the nation. Otherwise, Bangladesh is gonna go astray. Bangladesh is being done as a country. Bangladesh will be totally finished. And the independence we got on 1971, it was only for the Sheikh family, not for Bangladeshi people at all. Now we want independence for the whole Bangladesh, not for Sheikh family only. We want only one thing, at Dafa, at Dabi, we want Sheikh Hasina's Poton. That's it. And I'm Afrin Ferdowsi and I'm doing masters on software development on University of British Columbia, which is University of UK.
ছোট করে আপনার কাছে আরেকটি বিষয় জানতে চাই, এবারের যে ছাত্র আন্দোলন, সেই ছাত্র আন্দোলন দেখছি সারা বিশ্বে নজিরবিহীন। আসলে অনেকে বলছেন যে এরকম ছাত্র আন্দোলন আগে বিশ্বের বুকে পালন হয় না, এই বিষয়টা কিভাবে দেখছেন ছাত্র হিসেবে?
Well, in my 18 years of life, I never saw a day or never saw a country, never saw a protest where the country itself, where the government of that country is killing themselves. We can talk about Israel and Palestine. Israel is killing Palestine. Palestine is not killing Palestine, right? But Bangladesh, our government is killing ourselves, our people. That's why, and in this protest, the students were killed mercilessly. The students were not killed secretly at night, but they were killed openly. That's why the whole world is now having their eyes on Bangladesh, that never in their lifetime, as I assume, that never in their lifetime they saw another protest where the government killed their people, killed their students, and very openly and very cruelly. That's what I think as a student.
সর্বশেষ একটি বিষয় জানতে চাই, এই যে আপনি সরকারের বিরুদ্ধে এত জোরে কথা বলছেন, আপনারা কি ভয় করছেন?
No.
Why?
Beat mara ekbar. That's it. If I die right now, I'm gonna die as a martyr. I'm gonna go straight to Jannah. That's the only thing that consoles me now.
Thank
That's
you.
It.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.